All right, let's get a bird's eye view of the track. This is the first time we've had a drone out here. Everybody keeps commenting, I want to ride on your little turn track. This isn't really a little track. No, it's not like 4 or 5 miles long or even 2 miles long, but this is a third, fourth gear stretched out 450 motocross practice track. It's on 1.5 acres of land. We've got a bunch of jumps, a bunch of big, bold turns, and we have lots of fun here. Definitely great for practicing, tuning suspension, everything. That's a 60, 80-foot tabletop. Got a triple in the back. We got a double right there in the middle next to the freestyle ramp. Got me on the little 230 quad sport, giving you some perspective. This is how small I look on this big old track. Actually, it kind of surprises me a little bit. I mean, I've been riding this thing for 15 plus 20 years almost, and didn't actually ever realize how big it is. Makes me kind of appreciate it a little bit more. We've had to tune this thing up many times. If you go back through the channel, the very first video on the channel is me on my R many years ago when this thing was just a couple of mulch piles and jumps. We've had it skid steer here a couple of times. We've built this track up, and it's definitely expanded a lot over the past years. Jumps have gotten a lot bigger. Speeds have gotten a lot faster. It's a great training facility, great test and tune track. Cannot complain whatsoever. Absolutely love it. This is in the backyard behind the shop. Behind the house. So, yep, my own little private bubble. I don't have to go anywhere. Don't have to do anything. We'll get a drone shot of what it looks like coming at the freestyle ramp. Got to move that back so we can hit it a little bit faster. But, yep, it's set up for first-time hitters. This is kind of a neat shot, too. Straight up. These drones are so cool. I found out afterwards that this is actually one of those chase you drones. So if you highlight a person, it'll actually chase you around the track. Now Sean turned around and he's going to do a little flyover of what the track looks like at somewhat ground level. If you guys have seen the other ride videos and stuff where we've got a GoPro out there, or even just somebody standing on the freestyle ramp hitting the jumps, you know we fly off of these things. Check out some of the shorts. Got Tony pretty much jumping over me on the tabletop. This back jump needs some attention. It needs a lot more throw me, a little bit more of a head run up. It's just a rollover at this point. The corner's so close to it that they don't have enough speed to really get off of it. This tabletop, on the other hand, lots and lots of fun. Hit that thing fourth gear, about half, three-quarter throttle, and you'll clear it. Big old bowl turn to a step down. This is one of my favorite jumps on the track. Good little step down, throws you up in the air. Got a nice smooth landing all the way down. Come into the berm, turn around, hit the double. This is about a 15, 20-foot stretch double. And turn around, hit another bowl turn. Spin around. Got a little single kicker. Hit Tony out there on the utility. Now the battery died on the drone before he hit the double. He came back into the shop so happy. I hit it. Did you get it? Nope. The battery died on the drone here very shortly. So we got a little bit of him going around the corner, hitting the tabletop. He almost cleared it on his 500 Rancher. That's crazy. Hit that subscribe button, follow, comments always available. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.